Jake over here trying to make some final cuts, but it's looking good. Got that piece in, man. Window sealed, man. I'm feeling great about it. But yeah, man, I got this finished. I just need to get some more wood so I can do this wood insulation piece of plywood and I can get this finished. Really proud that that's done. I got lights that can wire back up in there, but I don't like them because I'll show you. Should I get new ones or rock the old school?
They're pretty nice.
You like those?
Yeah.
I think they're old and ugly, but hey. They're from, look, $12.89. They're from 1989. It's funny. Yeah, I'll throw it back up there to get that old feel on. Who knows? Camping project. Bad news, guys. It was raining like crazy yesterday and all. Fucking. I knew that water usually piles up on my roof, but I didn't know that it drips inside right here from a small, tiny drip right there. And I'm like, what the heck? Nothing feels rotting. But then you look on top. There's a bunch of water pooling up right there. And it's just leaking in somewhere up there. So I gotta get down here on that. So that's a major setback. But so now I pretty much gotta get some liquid EPDM for the roof. With some Decor self-lap sealant. I gotta order that. Get the whole roof done. This fucking guy. That's my buddy Joseph on his fucking dune buggy. Whatever. But yeah, man, that's her. Keep you updated. I just know I got a shit ton of water on my roof. So I'm gonna pull this baby up. I'm gonna start this baby up. Drive it forward to get the water off the roof. And back it up where it originally was. Throw some caulking on the area that's letting the leak in up here. That's letting the floor get well. It looks like it's not leaking no more. Could be from the water not being up there, but still need to caulk it. Watch all the water it runs off this, guys. Alright, that wasn't cool. I accidentally ripped off my shit pipe, which is right up here. But by the looks of it, looks like it sort of pops in there. Looks like it sort of just. This looks like, I can't believe I ripped it the fuck off. Forgot that the string was tied around it. Tons of water on my roof, so it had to be done. So until I throw this back on, which is I'm not sure when that's gonna be, I'm going to put it in here. Alright. Coming up here with the ladder till the antenna area to expose the leak. Probably right there, honestly. Right there. Or any other leak. Where water could possibly get in. Take some of my quad OSI for now. Just cake it over there. Yes, Lance, this job really sucks dick. You ought to get a new one. Look at that CRX with them diamond steelies on there. Not diamond steelies, RT 4-wheel drive wagon wheels. got a bunch of wood, the framing stove area, and to put some wood up here to have something for the back wall to bite into when I go to put the piece in. Gotta find a battery to my Sawzall because this one's dead, so I forgot to charge it like an idiot. Alright guys, since my camper's up on blocks and everything's crooked, I pretty much gotta eye it. I got a leveler right here. It's gonna help me a little bit. I'm pretty much gonna frame it in right here. I left this piece long. I marked where the beam is on this wall right there. I'm gonna slap a piece across here from this edge all the way across to right here. There's gonna be a beam. There's a beam right here I could drill into, so I'm gonna run this beam underneath to sit on, so this supports on top. So what I'm gonna do right now is screw this one in, level it, and it will give me how tall I gotta come from here up, and from how tall these are up. That's why I didn't cut that one yet. Obviously I gotta go at least up to here, but I just want this piece to really tell me how tall, you know, and hopefully it fits right in this gap, and then I can square it in. You know, I can obviously measure the stove, because the stove sits close to this wall, pretty much flush against this wall, you know. Alright guys, I got the hot water tank in. I didn't wire it up yet because I'm not really worried about it. I gotta go on my GoPro right here and find out the wiring. Hook the lines back up. I got the measurements for this. I'm pretty much going to put this across here. I'm going to wedge this in right here. And I'm hoping that the stove will sit on here and the ass end will sit on here. And then I can give me the dimensions for where the friggin' frame in the side post here. Boop, boop. Looking pretty good. Right, babe? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It ain't pretty, but we got the motherfucker in. Now you see, it's a pretty nice fit. Alright, y'all. It's coming together now. As you see, I just got the sink sitting in there. So same with the stove. I was going to put this back kind of flush against the wall by the side and keep it up here. So we have some counter space in the back. I'll bring the slip out a little bit, tiniest bit to match up to right here. Put plywood out here ready to cut to fit. I was going to make this into a one sinker, but I said, you know what, might as well keep the two sinks because we're going to be cooking a lot of shit, right, babe? And yeah. Of course I can make shelves when the time comes to it. Got my hot water heater right there. Of course I'm going to add some support beams and shit in here, and maybe I'll add a support beam in the middle, and then I'll add a big door or something over here so I can just shove shit in there, or I'll make little drawers or something. I'll wind up making little drawers most likely, but it's so bright out, it's beautiful. Got some supplies. I got some 1x3s. I got this white wood to go underneath the thing and all. What do you think, babe? What? Think it's gonna go nice with the brown? If not, paint it. I got some thick insulation. Yeah, we're building this part. Took off this beam. See, now I want to save this carpet because I feel like if I pulled it out, it's gonna look like shit. So what I'm probably gonna do is leave a stripping of carpet because I want it to look good. So, got the GoPro coming up. We got our framing coming in well. Got everything leveled with the level. You know what I'm saying? To the best of my ability. Keep it flush with that. Boom. Perfect. Yeah, I'm trying to get the bad boy all sturdy in there and strong before I lay my 1-inch fiberglass or insulation. Yeah.
Oh, baby. The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a. The way you move it, you make my PB go.